Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down all things Social Security to make your life a little easier. Today, we're tackling a common headache. What if I cannot log into my Social Security account? Especially with the updates rolling out in 2025, it's more important than ever to know how to handle this. Let's dive right in. First off, don't panic if you're staring at that login screen and nothing's working. It's a problem many people face. The most common reasons include forgotten passwords, account locks due to too many failed attempts, or even temporary glitches from system updates. For 2025, the Social Security Administration has introduced enhanced security features, like two-factor authentication, which might be causing some extra hurdles. So, what should you do? Start with the basics. Head over to the official Social Security website and look for the Forgot Password, or Account Recovery, option. You'll usually need to enter your username, email, or the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once you do that, follow the prompts to reset your password or verify your identity. It's straightforward and secure. If that doesn't work, check for any emails from the SSA in your spam folder. They often send verification codes there. Still stuck? Your account might be locked, which happens for security reasons. In that case, give it a little time, say 24 hours, or contact the SSA directly. You can call their helpline at 1-800-772-1213, or use the live chat on their website. Remember, for 2025 updates, they might have new self-service tools, so keep an eye out for those. One more tip. Always use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future issues. It's a game changer for keeping your info safe. Wrapping this up, handling login problems is all about staying calm and following these steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.